Hey guys, it's Bullet Envy. So this is part 2 of the DaVinci 2000 flashlight. I had a few comments on the first video saying that people wanted to see it outside, so that's what I'm going to give you. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, so I have to be a little quiet. Everybody's asleep, and I cannot sleep. So figured I'd make you guys a video. So I'm going to start with the 1000 lumen just for comparison. So this is on low power for the DaVinci 1000. So that's low. Here is the concentrated beam. Here's medium and high. Concentrated again. And this is a pretty good flashlight too. Okay. Now let's switch to the 2000. Okay, this is starting on low. Medium, oh, sorry for the strobe. That's low, medium, high. And this is the 2000. So there's back to low on the concentrated beam. This one only has a 4x zoom, whereas the 1000 model has a 6x zoom. Okay, here's medium and high. It's the concentrated. Zoomed in. Over there, that's probably 150 to 200 feet away. And it will reach even further. But the wide beam on this flashlight is just insane. That's the whole reason I bought this. It will reach. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys. Gonna see what it's like at night when you're actually gonna use a flashlight. So it's the DaVinci 2000. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you need, what you'd like to post. Until then, I'll see you guys later.